When it comes to AI English tutors, two apps stand out: Loora AI and ELSA Speak. Both promise to help you speak English more fluently, but they take very different approaches. ELSA Speak is built around speech recognition and pronunciation training. It listens to every sound you make, then it gives real time feedback on pronunciation, intonation, and fluency. It's especially useful for non native users who want to reduce their accent and sound clearer. With over 90 million downloads and 4.8-star rating, ELSA is proven and widely trusted. It's structured with study plans, interactive games, and measurable progress. Lura, on the other hand, is designed for conversation practice. Instead of drilling pronunciation, it acts like a personal AI speaking partner. You can talk about any topic, get instant corrections, and even practice business English or exam prep. Lura emphasizes natural dialogue, confidence building, and sounding more like a native speaker. It is flexible, available anytime, and doesn't limit you to short sessions. So the bottom line is, if your main goal is fixing pronunciation and accent clarity, then ELSA Speak is for you. And if you want free flowing conversation, practice, and confidence in real dialogue, Loora AI is better.